Students, in the last lecture, we discussed about network topology and types of network topology. We already discussed two types of network topology, bus topology and ring topology. Today we will discuss about other types of topology. That is, third type of topology is star topology. Star topology. It is just like star structure, that is, there is a central controller in the center, and with this so many nodes joined with this A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose we will take 6 nodes joined with central controller. Then what is star topology? A star network consists of dedicated links from the stations to the central controller. Each interconnection supports two-way communication. The central controller acts as a switch. This acts as switch to route the frames from source to destination. Unlike ring or bus topology, where communication is in broadcast mode. Now discuss about advantage and disadvantage of star network. Main advantage of star network is ease of service. The star topology has a number of concentration points. It is major advantage of this. Second advantage is one device per connection. It means connection points in any network are inherently prone to failure. In this topology, failure of a single connection, suppose this is a failure of this connection, failure of single connection, disconnection one node, otherwise fully functional network. Next advantage is centralized control. There is a centralized control in this, and also problem diagnosis. We easily diagnose the problem in this topology. Fourth advantage is simple access protocols. In this, a star network accessing protocol is very simple. Now we discuss about disadvantage of star network or star topology. It requires long cable length. While the cost of the cable is small, congestion in cable ducts and maintenance and installation problems can increase cost of the cable. Second is central node dependency. All the nodes depending on the central node dependency. Third is there is no sharing of transmission. Fourth is single point of failure. And another disadvantage is difficult to expand. Suppose we take 6 nodes connected to this, so it is difficult to extend the star topology. Next type of topology is tree topology. It gives tree-like structure. That is, you can say stem and branches. What is tree topology? A tree topology combines characteristics of two topologies, that is bus topology and star topology. There are one central stem, and this is central switch, or there are nodes connected to this. These are nodes. This is backbone, you can say backbone cable. That is mainly backbone cable, and there is a also a hub, or you can say server. There is also a, I already said, hub. This is hub, and nodes connected to this. You can say these are nodes connected to this. This is concentrator. So this structure is tree-like structure. This is stem, or you can say backbone cable, and these are the branches. So it is it consists of characteristics of bus topology and star topology. It consists of group of star configured workstations connected to a bus backbone cable. Tree topology is like this, and there are few advantage and disadvantage of also tree topology. Advantages of tree topology. First we discuss advantages. Point to point wiring is needed for individual segment. Point to point wiring. Second is any hardware or software vendors have support for it. Disadvantage. Breakage of backbone line make the entire segment down. If this backbone breakage in this backbone, then now we discuss disadvantage of tree topology. First disadvantage is breakage of backbone line, makes the entire segment down. Next is tree topology is more difficult to wire and configure other topologies. The type of cabling used limits the length of each segment. This is about tree topology. Now fifth topology is mesh topology. Mesh topology. A network topology featuring a direct path between two nodes. The backbone of this topology looks like where most major cities have a direct connection to most major cities, from one city to other city. Advantage of mesh topology, ease of troubleshooting. In this topology, mesh topologies are easy to troubleshoot because each medium link is independent of all others. No dependency. You can easily identify faults and isolate the affected link. Next advantage is units affected by media failure. Now disadvantage of mesh topology. It is very difficult to install the network. Also, second is it is very difficult reconfiguration. To reconfigure the mesh topology, it is very difficult for the users. Last topology is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology. It is a combination of two or more network topologies. The resultant is a hybrid network. Any two or more topologies combine their characteristics form hybrid topology. There are few advantages. Ease of expansion. When designing the network originally, each concentration can have extra unused lobes which can be called on later. If we need the extension of the network, we can easily expand this. Second is ease of fault diagnosis and isolation. Very easily we find fault, where is the fault, and we can isolate the fault. Ease of cabling also. Next advantage is ease of cabling. There are few disadvantages of this topology. Cabling. The interclosest cabling in a star ring is critical to its operation. That is disadvantage of this network. And major disadvantage is an intelligent concentration points required. Depending on the implementation used, the concentration points may need to have built-in intelligent ability. It should be intelligent ability. These are the disadvantages of hybrid topology. Though we discuss all types of topologies, that is, there are 6 types of topologies. Thank you, students.